Modymix, a brand new company on a mission to transform health through intelligent solutions. The pancake and waffle baking mix is crafted for health-conscious individuals and those mindful of their carb intake with features of high fiber, all nature ingredients, and unique carb rebalance strategy. Today, I'm excited to share savory green onion pancakes, a delicious twist with Modymix. We're making a delicious twist on classic pancakes using Modymix's primary baking mix as the base, enhanced with fresh chopped green onion for a savory variation. Start by adding 3/4 cup of primary baking mix to a bowl. Crack in 1 egg, or swap it for an egg substitute or water, your choice. Then, pour in 1 cup of milk or a milk alternative. I'm using low-sugar milk to keep the carbs in check. Add 50 grams of chopped green onions and 1/4 teaspoon of salt for that savory punch. Gently whisk everything together until smooth and well combined. Since this mix is packed with high fiber, multiple grains, seeds, and nuts, let the batter rest for 5 to 10 minutes for full hydration. If the batter thickens while resting, just add a splash of water to reach the perfect consistency. Preheat a nonstick skillet over medium-high heat and lightly grease it with oil or butter. Hold your hand just above the pan, so you should feel a gentle warmth. Now, scoop about 1/4 cup of batter and pour it onto the pan. With the green onions, this recipe yields 6 pancakes instead of 5. Reduce the heat to medium-low and cook for 2 to 3 minutes until small bubbles form and the edges begin to set. Once bubbles appear, flip the pancakes and cook for another 1 to 2 minutes until they are golden brown. Cooking times might vary slightly depending on your stove, so keep an eye on them. The pancakes are ready to be picked up. Just take a look. Aren't they delightful? I'll repeat this process for the next 3 pancakes. Now, stack your warm, fluffy pancakes on a plate and dig in. The green onions add a delightful aroma while baking, and the salt enhances the flavors. Alongside our pancake making process, we've included a table showcasing key nutrition facts for a single pancake made using the standard method with egg and milk. We also provide comparisons of variations prepared without egg, without milk, or without both. Please note that the data shown is for reference only, as actual values may vary depending on the specific egg or milk used. Thanks for watching.